Okay, so today I'll try to explain how to install manual locking hubs on, I think it's 92 plus Toyota Land Cruisers 80 series. So the problem is, at some point early in the 90s, Toyota used a longer stop shaft. So the original group is this one. So you have your aisin locking hub from a mini truck with solid axle, and you want to install it, and everything looks okay until the moment it's time to install the C-clip. I'll try to get more light so you can see what I'm talking about. There you go. So as you can see, the original groove is on the way out here. So if you install the C-clip in here, the axle is going to float and it's going to go in and out like this. I've seen some companies sell some spacers, and I decided to make my own out of some old bearing braces. And so I would install my spacer in there, and then I could install the C-clip, and everything apparently worked until the moment it was time to install the hub dial. The hub dial will hit the C-clip, so it was not a matter of like turning it down and getting the spacer to be thinner, you know, because it was hitting right here, so I could install the face. So I did some research, and the best fix for this is to cut a new groove on the axle shaft. As you can see right there, I cut a new one using a rotary tool and a cutoff wheel. So what you have to do is measure 13 millimeters from the end. For that I use a caliper. Right now it's 13.2 because it moved, but you got the idea. I measured 13 millimeter from here to the edge of the groove using masking tape to mark all around the diameter, and then cut it using the cutoff wheel. And now I have my new groove. If you look for some pictures for our RCV axles for these cars, you'll see they come with the two groups as well. So now I can just install the locking hub and the C-clip in the inner groove. I'll do that right now so you can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see now, the C-clip is installed in the new groove I cut all the way in there. So now this won't move, and I can install the hub dial, no problem. So it's an easy fix. I would just recommend you to get a rag or something to protect your wheel bearings when you're cutting this, to prevent metal dust from contaminating it, but it's really not a hard thing to do, and personally I prefer manual locking hubs. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section.